G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. JM of JM All 4, got his own YouTube channel. Going to show you how to take the engine cover off. There are 4 rubber grommets and we are just lifting those up, 1, 2, 3, 4 at a time. Tip that up and then show us the underneath of it. See, it's got the felt on it to make the car quieter, and you can just see the pins here where it clips in place and the matching spots down here. Then there's another noise stopping aid here as well. That bit there that sits on top, there's your fuel rails and so forth. That's also about keeping the noise out. Okay, so when we're changing out the air cleaner, once you've got your engine cover off, this air intake here, this is actually your air cleaner here. Now, interesting enough, this bit you see on the top is actually the air cleaner element, the same as this is here. The housing just wraps around it, but this bit of the element sticks out. So this date here, 30th of October, and the brand is telling you what the actual air cleaner is. So there's just 2 of these stainless steel clips. You press that in the middle and flex that back, it comes off. I've already done the same on the other side, there's the same clip. Then that pulls back, and you don't, it actually is just sitting in the holes, but they're a bit fiddly to get in, so you try not to have that come out. That just pulls back, and then that comes out like that, and there is your air cleaner element. And it's got this little bit where all the dust and muck can tend to gather down the bottom, but that whole cartridge comes out, and you replace the whole cartridge, stick your new one back in, drop it down. Absolutely that simple. See, that's gone back into place. One, clip there, done. That's back in. Okay, so one thing to note, there's a covered electrical wires there. Boom, clip into place on that little clip on the side of the air cleaner. Really, really simple and straightforward job. Then you just put the engine cover back on. The bits you're lining up with are here, and here, and there, and on the front corner, it's here. So nice and simple, put it on, they'll all go clunk, 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 and you know it's in place.